Well, hello everyone, my name is Dennis and I'm here to help you explain why this Hisense Freestanding 60 centimeter electric cooker with an induction hob is worth having. Everything I'm going to show you on this model also goes for the 50 centimeter model, except for the width obviously, making the 50 centimeter cooker perfect for kitchens with slightly less space. If you do have a bit more space available, go for the standard 60 centimeter wide. The oven offers 9 different cooking methods. Behind every one of them, there is great technology ensuring perfect results and reliable performance. When you open the oven and look at the cavity, you can see it is somewhat recessed and rounded on the top. The even bake technology ensures that hot air circulates freely, reaching every corner, heating food evenly so that everything you cook is perfectly done. That means crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Because of the cavity size and design, you can bake on 4 levels simultaneously and flavors won't mix thanks to the special air circulation system. Also adding to the optimal cooking result with supporting heat reflection is the extra durable enamel coating of this cavity and all the trays that come along. After using your oven, we recommend running the steam clean function, which will loosen grease and stains quickly and easily. Just place a water-filled baking tray in the oven, select a program, and after only 30 minutes, grease and marks can be wiped off the stain-resistant enamel with ease. With this model, you also get 2 catalytic side liners, which you can easily install yourself. Because of their surface, these liners will absorb the grease, making the rest of the oven grease-free and clean. Besides easy cleaning, this oven has soft close and soft open, where only a gentle touch is needed for this door to fully close without making a sound. Another feature worth mentioning is also the powerful cooling system, which is designed to keep the temperature of the oven exterior way lower than inside, preventing any injuries that might be caused by high temperatures inside. The hob on top is an induction hob, heating up twice as fast as gas, heating only the bottom of the induction-specific pans, leaving the remaining hob surface cool and safe to touch. Temperature can be adjusted instantly in a touch, limiting the danger of boiling over. Every zone of this hob has a boost function. Rapid boil is perfect for dishes that require quick cooking at high temperatures, great for searing steaks and flash frying seafood, but also saving time heating up pans for other food. After 5 minutes, in this mode, the temperature will automatically reduce. Another great thing about this hob is the connect zone, merging 2 zones into one big surface, perfect for bigger pans. This Hisense cooker includes a convenient drawer with enough space for storing baking trays and other cooking accessories. It is entirely made in Europe, guaranteeing sleek design and reliable performance.